Meaning of gladiatorial.
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 Gladiatorial. Gladiatorial is an adjective that describes something resembling or associated with gladiators or their combats in ancient Rome. It can be used to describe a competition, debate, or other situation that is fierce, intense, and often involves conflict or confrontation. In modern usage, gladiatorial can refer to anything that resembles a battle, such as a political campaign or sporting event. In short, gladiatorial implies a competitive and often confrontational situation, evocative of the deadly battles between gladiators in ancient Rome.